Hi, I'm Cole with Leisure Time. We're here in Idaho Falls today on a nice sunny day, and we're installing a HotSpring Flair. So come along with us and check out how it's done. Don't include that. Alright, so what we have here is a smart deck. This is basically just a big plastic square that the tub will sit on top of, and since it's going on top of gravel, this will create a much more level surface for the tub to sit on. So you take these and you get that little bar that's in between them, and you have to squeeze them together like this, and then they'll go like that. Then you just kind of have to push it down, hammer it that way, and it should click in on both sides.
Okay.
So, yeah, not hard, it's just a lot. I've only ever put these in winter, so they don't usually go together this easy. Like, they're a lot harder and they don't. Yeah, so now that the plastic's super soft, this is going really fast actually. So you'll see these just have to get over those. So you kind of have to like force it and bend it a little bit. There you go. Yeah, it's a little tricky. So we'll bring it in from this side like that, and then we'll just spin it on the way down, because we won't be able to go over the window well to just bring it right down. So
go in straight.
And then just turn straight right. I wish I wore shorts. It's hot out. So we got the smart deck all assembled and we got the tub set on top of it. So now I'm just taking off all the garbage. Next thing we'll do, we'll put on the cover and get hooked up to power. So we got the installation all finished. The customer was happy, so now we're here back at the shop. So thank you so much for coming with us, and we'll see you next time.